from the first minute to the last minute to the campaign, you are here. So, seeing this, a clear trend to UDF, right?
This is the penultimate day of the campaign, and I think the UDF's campaign is reached a crescendo. The outpouring of the masses, young people, excitement in the cadre and the people in general is very heartening. And I'm thankful for the party workers, the UDF allies, and everybody who's led a very dignified and a positive campaign. But the atmosphere is firmly in the favor of the Congress and UDF.
And also, the CM Pinarayi Vijayan is attacking Revanth Reddy and saying that Pomone Dinesha and that kind of stuff to the Revanth Reddy.
It does not suit a sitting chief minister of 10 years. And by attacking the opposition, he should come out with his own report card. What he has done, why in 10 years the expectations of people have not been met. And today people are going to ask questions. I think it's our right and duty as opposition to ask the questions. But the chief minister, I think, is quite dictatorial. And I don't mean it to be immodest, but I think Pinarayi Vijayan perhaps will be the last communist chief minister in this country.
But at the same time, communist needs to be in India right now. It's a party with an age-old tradition. Do you think?
I think they had the same issues in Bengal and Tripura. So the left parties have kind of really gone down because of how the world has changed. But in Kerala, I think the fight is between UDF and India. And of course, they have their own support base. But 10 years being in power and people being this unhappy, especially young people are yearning for a change. And Congress and UDF will be that change that will have an effect, a positive effect on the people of Kerala.
People are cheering for you, people are cheering for Congress as well. I think what type of 100+ seats can we expect from this?
I don't want to predict numbers, but we'll get a convincing, overwhelming majority, and the people are supporting the Congress because we bring about a different structure of governance, no nepotism, no corruption, young people being the forefront, and Rahul Gandhi's 5 guarantees. People have really taken to that, and they've campaigned extensively. Kharge Sahab, Priyanka ji, Rahul Gandhi ji. I think all that has an impact on the ground, and our workers are charged up, and there will be a vote for change.
And CM Pinarayi Vijayan also attacking you, Revanth Reddy, Rahul Gandhi, Pinarayi. How do you see this kind of a chief minister?
I think we should use dignified language in public discourse. Elections will come and go, but our words will remain. I've always criticized the chief minister, but I've used dignified language. I've asked questions. It's my job and duty to do that. But to get unsettled, to use foul language, an experienced person like that, it doesn't suit a person of that stature. I think people will now speak. I will not speak anymore.